Opioids at the center of an epidemic. Governor Roy Cooper's office has released county-by-county statistics about the crisis in North Carolina. WWY's Basil John has more on the data and how people are reacting to those numbers. Basil, what does the data show right now?
Amanda, according to the release from Cooper's office, North Carolina has experienced a 73% spike in opioid-related deaths since 2005. And many of those deaths are happening closer than you think.
I agree with the statement that opioid addiction is a nationwide phenomenon. In some places it's hit worse than others.
Opioids are a common solution to dealing with pain from serious injuries. However, over the years, many of these opioids have brought about death, time and time again.
And it's just really sad to see that people have to feel like they have to resort to, heroin, meth.
According to Governor Cooper's release about the opioid crisis, in 2015, there were more than 1,100 opioid-related deaths. That's a 73% increase from 2005. Many people find that increase worrying.
It's saddening, it's scary to think that numbers can go from low to high in such a short period of time.
It shows the growing problem, and it's something that do you try to disrupt the supply, or do you punish the user?
Both New Hanover and Pender counties show some of the highest increases in opioid deaths. According to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, New Hanover went from 26 deaths in 2005 to 45 in 2015. Pender County went from 1 death in 2005 to 14 in 2015. Many see this as a worrying trend and think the government should do something about it.
And make sure that people understand the dosage and how often they need to use it and not abuse the system, basically.
Just get out there and crack down. I mean, like I said, it's easier said than done, and I know that I couldn't do it. It's a hard job, but there's something that could be done, sure.
Governor Cooper recently joined leaders across the country to combat the opioid crisis. For some people, these opioids lead to a path of addiction and maybe even death. Amanda, I posted the full report to the stats across our state on our website, so go to wwaytv3.com.
Thank you, Basil.